I'm Andy Armstrong, 3M application engineer, authorized trainer, and your go-to for all things 3M wrap film.
In this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks for wrapping mirrors with 3M Wrap Film Series 2080. First, clean the outer edges of the mirror and get rid of any wax. Next, apply 3M knifeless tape precision line as shown. Before you put the film on the mirror, pre-stretch it by attaching one end to the window, keep the film tight, and heat it thoroughly. It's important to secure both ends of the film for an even stretch. Hold it in place until it cools and keep its shape. Now, attach the end of the film that was on the window to the back of the mirror. Keep the film away from the mirror surface and pull it evenly in the same direction as the pre-stretch. Keep tension as you'll lay the film across the mirror's body line. If you see any folds, snap them up and guide them towards the edges of the mirror. The film is super flexible, and with pre-stretching and a bit of heat, it will easily conform to the contours. Press firmly over the 3M knifeless tape, then gently pull the tape's filament, moving it towards the edges of the film. Once finished, it's important to remove any excess film and the green carrier. Repeat this for all areas where you applied 3M knifeless tape. Finally, heat set all edges and check for any remaining air bubbles to make sure everything is perfect.